two special gold coins in the show tonight. If you're with us earlier, we got the chance to talk about that end of an era, the last of its kind, and special. I think we have one left, by the way, but we're almost sold out. And then there's the other side of the picture. The first time ever. Well, in 1849, there was gold out west, right? And it started the entire push to the West Coast. Everybody having the dream, right? Well, that year, the U.S. government made a brand new coin for the first time. Actually, two of them, but only one for circulation. A $1 gold piece and a $20 gold piece. Now, the $20 gold piece is in the Smithsonian, and the $1 gold piece could be in your safe. Let's take a peek. First year of issue, the $1 gold piece, the smallest gold coin ever made by the U.S. government and used as a circulation strike. It was made from 1849 all the way through 1889. It was made over that time frame. The first 6 years, they were of what they call the Liberty design. Very simple, very consistent with everything else we did. 2.5s, 5s, 10s, and 20s all had that same obverse look and feel. The reverse, however, whole different picture. Very simple, very clean. Big one, big dollar, and then the year. Look at that. Gorgeous specimen. So again, 1849, the year of the 49er. The theme of California. Right? And they create the first gold dollar the same year. Coincidence? Not. Part of the puzzle. But having a coin, first year of issue, tied to that part of history, and then tonight at this crazy price?
Limited mintage of just 688,000 and change at $599.95. It is a great opportunity to get in. We couldn't find a regular price compare out there, but I can tell you that the price guide is at $775. So we're beating that by quite a bit.
Almost $200.
Yeah. Yep, $599.95. This is the first year of issue for the $1 gold piece, 1849. It was issued until 1889, and then it was discontinued. And then remember that Roosevelt signed an executive order in 1933, which basically banned Americans from owning gold. They recalled the gold. And they couldn't own them, including bullion and the gold.
Absolutely. But the other part of it, too, is one thing, and that is anything that was made prior to 1860 didn't exist. Not that it didn't happen. It just means that at the outbreak of the Civil War, whether it was the North or the South, copper, silver, gold was being hoarded by the respective governments to put money into their war efforts, right? I mean, they came out with encased postage stamps. We had other fun coins like, they call them Civil War tokens, where local merchants made coppers because the large cents weren't out there anymore because they were all being bought and melted because funds were needed. So if it got past the Civil War, then it had another half a century to get to 1933. And even then, the average big coin, the 10s and the 20s, all went to Europe. But it was the 1s, the 2.5s, the 5s, the workhorse coins for the American public that just kind of disappeared. They asked us to turn them in, and many, many did.
Some of them hid them.
Some of them hid. There were provisions also available where you could own up to so many coins. All great stuff. But here's the other side. $1 gold pieces, just as a topic. First edition Liberties as a topic. Our competition sells circulated random coins. So again, you just buy a coin. It's going to be a $1 gold piece. It's going to be an original. It's not going to be uncirculated, but it's going to be available at the same price. I'm sorry, $4 less. They're at $5.95 for a circulated coin. We're giving you the very first year of issue. We're giving you an uncirculated coin, and it's the same price. Wow. Outright wow. Everybody join us. This is a special piece, something we don't see that often. I think if we get it once or twice a year, we're doing cartwheels in the parking lot. And we got to do that earlier this week because the coins that came back from the last show actually came in. The graders looked at them. They all passed the test, which is, are they nice looking circs or are they unks? They came across as being the proper, and as a result, we have them available here tonight. Guys, we got to put a 1 minute clock up. We got to be moving on.
Handful left, 905-2504 if you're shopping with us online, avccoins.com. These are one of those items that when there's so few available at such a great price, over $200 less than the price guide, almost $200 less than the price guide, these can sell out quickly. So if you have this in your cart, please go ahead and process that checkout and get yours. Make sure you earmark one for you.
So think about gold history in the United States, right? Tonight, 2 killer coins. First ever $1 gold piece. Check right here. Earlier tonight, that 1929, the last 2.5 ever struck, and the denomination was discontinued. So again, this $1 gold piece was issued for a period of 40 years. The middle years were the Indian Princess, and then the last were more so not for circulation, but they did end the series completely in 1889. Join us, everybody. $1 gold pieces, uncirculated, first year of issue. Difference maker. But tonight, only $599.95 while they last.